Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be talking about the all-new 2024 Lexus TX. This is Lexus's new flagship SUV, and it's sure to turn heads. Let's go straight to the exterior. The TX has a bold and imposing exterior design. It's dominated by the signature Lexus spindle grille, and it has a sleek and aerodynamic profile. The TX is also available in a variety of colors, so you can find one that matches your style. And the interior? The TX's interior is just as impressive as its exterior. It's spacious and luxurious, with plenty of room for up to 8 passengers. The TX also comes standard with a long list of features, including a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a 10-speaker Mark Levinson sound system, and a panoramic sunroof. What about the performance? The TX is available with 2 different powertrains, a 3.5-liter V6 engine and a hybrid powertrain. The V6 engine produces 295 horsepower, and the hybrid powertrain produces 406 horsepower. Both powertrains are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The safety of the TX comes standard with a long list of safety features, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. The TX also earned a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The 2024 Lexus TX is a great choice for anyone looking for a luxurious and spacious SUV. It's got a bold and imposing exterior, a luxurious interior, and a variety of powertrain options. If you're looking for a new SUV, the TX is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more reviews. And if you have any questions about the Lexus TX, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them.